Hi, in this video, we'll be looking at how to use the application when you have a meeting with a startup. So let's say we're going to go and meet with Chain. So we'll go into their profile. If you've scheduled the tool, if you use the scheduled tool, you'll already have a coaching session created with the appropriate date scheduled. And all you'll have to do is just click on this right here, and that will open up the session. If you haven't, then you can simply hit the new coaching session, and that will create that new coaching session. So from here, you'll be able to add some notes, which the startups will be able to see. And those notes could include what your conclusions are, your recommendation, the status of the company, and things of the like. Right here below are just notes that you prefer not to share with the startups. So they might include your opinion or things you're uncertain about, things that you will verify, things of the like. On this side here, there's a task section. So you can just create a new task by typing what your task is. Let's say, make an introduction to Bob. And then we've got the assigned to the people that are currently in the meeting. So we'll have the mentor, so yourself. And then you'll also have each of the co-founders, and then on top, the startup itself. So you may assign this to the startup, the co-founders, or to yourself. And then the date here. Finally, right here below, you can add some attachments. So these would be useful, for example, if you are using the whiteboard to draw out some things and you want to take a picture, drop it here. Or again, if you are, for example, working on a cash flow statement with a company or their presentations or whatnot, then you may want to save the document for the notes here so that it's easily accessible. So you can just save it and upload it into the new attachment section. So just drag and dropping that will do. And so that is it for how to take some coaching session notes.